Hello, I'm Bruce Kennard. Many of you know me as one of the founders of Compass Auto Tracker 7 years ago. A little device we invented called the Orbitalfinder, the technology patented. And I'm talking to you today from the showroom of Orbital Laboratories, which is now the largest shareholder of Compass Auto Tracker by virtue of 54% ownership. Now, many of you haven't heard from me in a while, but you sent in your D1s notifying us that you had approved of the acquisition. And all we need to do now to move that forward is send you out the audited financials, and we're working on that to develop that now. Now, as you're aware, we started out with the Orbitalfinder, which was one product that we developed, patented the technology on it, a very unique antenna system, micro antenna. And from the acquisition with Orbital, we have now developed into a company that has many multiple products, which we've been communicating to you guys about, which will include tablets. As you can see, we have our new line of power stick that have a little LED light on it, and they're under the brand Orbital, which will go across the nation. If you want to power your phone up, it's a beautiful new product, and we're looking to do really well on that. Plus, we have new patents coming out, and patents pending that we believe will really drive the company into the upper echelons where we're trying to go with it in the world of technology. And if you'll come over here with me, you'll see our Orbital television. This is our 47-inch right here. See the Orbital name on it? Then you see our large 55-inch right here. My favorite singer there, Britney Spears, good quality. And so these TVs are made of good solid backs. They're not plastic. They're high definition. And our next line of televisions that we're going to be coming out with are going to have some of the features that we've talked to you guys about. A media player that has our antenna system in that comes with beacons, and you'll actually be able to track just about anything in your life on your television with our media player using a remote system that we have already developed and that will be in the TV. And we call it the Orbitalfinder Media Player. In addition to that, the second most stolen item in a home is your TV. We're actually going to have our antenna system that we've already developed in TVs, so when you come home, if your TV's gone, you can say, whoop, down at the pawn shop. And that's how we'll do it. Now, what I'd really like to do is show you one of the most exciting things that our company has developed, and that's our new Finder phone app. We have a patent pending on it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now that we've seen quite a few things about Orbital Laboratories, we want to really show you the great, exciting thing and demonstrate to you the new Orbital Laboratories app, most commonly known as the Orbitalfinder app, which you'll be able to download when you have the product, the Finder app phone case. We are going to assume that no beacons are activated. So go to Pair New Beacon. It says no beacons selected. So what you have to do is choose a beacon. In this case, we will choose a silver beacon. Now the beacons will come in multiple colors. We will make this beacon a kid, and let's call her Amy. This allows you to name each beacon for multiple children or different things, like your cars, your laptop, and of course your favorite pet. Now, assuming Amy isn't where she is supposed to be, out in the backyard playing, you can go to Find Beacon. Scroll down to the beacon named Amy and choose it to show the direction and distance that Amy's beacon is coming from. Perhaps you've got it attached on her belt or in her little purse. Now we know Amy is about 30 meters away and gives an approximate direction, which will be refined to Amy's location. You can also switch to map mode to see a map of the neighborhood. You can zoom in and out. This will show your location, the beacon's location, and the range of the phone to the beacon. You can also change the map type to satellite. You can zoom in and twist around the map to get a better location. Oddly enough now, it seems that Amy is in the front yard of Orbital Laboratories headquarters. Huh, amazing. I thought she was in the backyard with her mom. Now we are improving the mapping by giving a hybrid map option, which allows different ways to track the beacon, such as showing the angle from where you are positioned or from where Amy is. We are also working on a terrain map feature, which will be useful for hikers who don't use roads, and of course this will show the topography of the area. We expect this product, the Orbitalfinder, to be marketed by Christmas, and it will work on iPhone, Android, and Windows devices. So we look forward to having our product out, the Orbitalfinder app, out on the market and being used by millions of cell phone users across the world. Thank you. Now that you've seen the demonstration on the Orbitalfinder app, I'd like to really show you something that's really important here, guys, about how we envision this product to be going on to the market and being sold. There are hundreds of millions of phones that are sold every year all over the world. So when a person goes in to buy their new phone, almost everyone wants to protect their phone. Therefore, they buy a new phone case to protect it. You know, if you drop it, you want to make sure it's not busted. Now, the unique thing about our new Finder app phone case is in the back here. I have a really nice hard case on mine. Earth One Technologies, which is one of our partners, has a very unique process where they can actually take the antennas that we developed, the micro system. It has new firmware in it, souped up, you might say. And they can embed it right in the back of the phone case. So here you are, you walk in T-Mobile or Verizon, you buy your new iPhone, whatever it is, and you want to buy a new phone case. Our Finder app phone case will be available. So then you take your new phone, you put it in our case, and it automatically hooks you up with our antenna system that are built in. It comes with one free beacon. We provide that in the sale. And then you program the beacon to your phone case, and then you download our Finder app, which you saw demonstrated. In doing that, you can now take that beacon, or multiple beacons, because they will be on sale, point of sale, and you can place that on anything you want to. You can put it on a child, your car, your laptop, your toolbox. If you're out on construction and you have a load of material that's been disappearing on you, you can put a little beacon in there, and when you find it missing, all you have to do is press the button for the Finder app, and it will begin tracking the beacon that's in the load of lumber or whatever it is, your laptop, and it will track it anywhere worldwide within 3 inches. That is the value of what we're doing here. And we believe that these are going to go really, really, really hot on the market as the Orbitalfinder app. So we're looking forward to that. We've already have $75,000 spent, the company, to develop the first working prototype. We're looking forward perhaps this Christmas to have the first product ready. So all of the work that we've been putting in here with Compass and with Orbital Laboratories now leading us, we're really going to do excellent in the world of technologies with our tablets, our televisions, our orbital media finders that we have, And we look forward to working with you guys in the future on this. Thank you, guys. So what I'd like to do now is introduce to you Robert Meyer, the CEO, President, and founder of Orbital Laboratories, and let him go into great detail about what we're doing here at the company. I think you'll really like him when you meet him, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Bruce, for that introduction. I'm Robert Meyer. I'm the CEO of Orbital Laboratories. Since the acquisition of the Compass Auto Tracker company, we wanted to find a way to reward the members of both Compass Auto Tracker and Orbital Laboratories in some way to not only show our appreciation, but a lot of the people have had their money tied up for a number of years, and we would like to give them a way to recoup their investment, something that should be fairly quick and easy. What I'm talking about is Green Tech Group Limited, which is a Wyoming corporation. The company is being reversed into an existing public company and currently trading on the stock exchange. That company is undergoing a 100-to-1 reverse split. This will raise the price of the stock to approximately $1.50 to $2. And with Orbital Laboratories having its warranties, what we needed was a company that's tied to Orbital Laboratories, but not run by Orbital Laboratories. We can only do one thing, and that is continue to build the technology that we've acquired, as well as the televisions and the other products that are in the pipeline. What we're looking for and what we're looking to do here is to spin out Green Tech Group Limited. Orbital Laboratories will own 20% of the company, which is a good thing. But we are going to offer all of the shareholders of Orbital Laboratories and Compass Auto Tracker a chance to purchase this stock through a small private placement, friends and families only, for $250,000. That's 25 cents a share, and we made it affordable. It's minimum blocks of $2,500. And those that purchase a full unit, which is $5,000, we will send out gifts for that, which will be one of our new televisions. Now, this is a gift, has nothing to do with the investment. You can opt to take it or not take it, but it's our gift to only our members for the support that you've given both Orbital Labs over the last 2 years and Compass Auto Tracker over the last 7. We're very excited about the technology. You saw the app demonstrated by the founder of Compass Auto Tracker, Bruce Kennard, and we look forward to taking this into the future. But in order for, in this economy, everyone to move ahead and recoup investment, we believe that this is the quickest way to do it. Orbital Labs will not be going public until 2014. We are filing a registration statement, but that is what we call a Reg A, and that again is a private investment at $5 per share. So, if you have any questions, please contact either Bruce Kennard or myself, and we would be happy to talk to you on the phone or sit down with you in person to give you the full context of what our plan is. Once again, I hope you enjoyed the video that Bruce did, and if you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you very much.